In this video, I'll show you how to make payments online with your Wise card. Step 1. Ensure your Wise card is activated. Make sure your physical or virtual Wise card is activated in the Wise app and ready for use. Step 2. Use your card details for online checkout. Enter your 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV during online checkout, just like any debit card. Step 3. Use the Wise virtual card for online payments. Access your Wise virtual card in the app for immediate online payments without waiting for the physical card. Step 4. Add your Wise card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Add your Wise card to your mobile wallet in the app for easy, secure, contactless online and in-app payments. Step 5. Monitor your transactions. Use the Wise app to track your spending, freeze the card if needed, and receive notifications on each payment. Now I have some tips for you. Use the virtual card to minimize fraud risk while shopping online. Never share your CVV or card details via unsecured channels. Ensure the website uses HTTPS before entering card details. Set spending limits and freeze and unfreeze your card instantly in the app as needed. And that's how you make online payments with your Wise card. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.